Hi friends, good evening. Today we are going to learn simple interest maths topic. Before we move to the sum, we have to know a few terminal words. It will be very useful for our doing sums. First thing, principal. Principal is the money borrowed or lent. What is principal? Principal is the money borrowed or lent. And the next one is interest. Interest is the additional money given by the borrower to use the principal for a certain period of time. And the next one is rate of interest. Rate of interest is the percentage of the principal paid every year. What is rate of interest? Rate of interest is the percentage of the principal paid every year. And the next one is time. What is time? Time is the period for which the money is borrowed or lent. Time is the period for which the money is borrowed or lent. That is called time. And the next one is amount. Then the next one is amount. Amount is the total money returned by the borrower to the lender after a certain period of time. It is found by using amount, principal plus interest. Simple interest means simple interest can be calculated by using PNR divided by 100. It indicates, already I told what is P. P indicates principal, R indicates rate of interest, N indicates time. These are the basic things we should know before doing the sum. Now we are going to move the first sum. First sum C. Find the simple interest on 25,000 at 8%. While doing the sum, you have to be very aware of that. First thing you should write what they given, and the next thing you should write what they asked. First we should write what they given. First what they given? First they given principal amount. Principal amount how much? Principal amount 25,000. Principal amount how much? Principal amount how much they given? 25,000. Okay, next one is N. N indicates means N indicates year. How many years they given? Per annum, 1 year. And the next one is what they given? Rate. Rate 8%. Okay. Here they asked find the simple interest. Find the simple interest formula. Find the simple interest formula. Already I told you need to calculate the simple interest means. What formula? Already I told PNR divided by 100. This is the basic formula. Whether we know that principal amount? Yes, principal amount 25,000. And the N indicates year, 1 year. And R indicates rate of interest 8% divided by 100. 0, 0 cancel. Remaining things we should calculate and we will get the answer easily. 250 into 1, 250. 250 into 8, 8 0, 0, 5 8s are 40, remaining 4, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4, 2000. So, answer is 2000 rupees. So, here we calculate the simple interest. Simple interest is 2000 rupees. It is very easy to calculate. If we know the formula means, it will be very, very easy to you. Shall we go to the next sum? Find the simple interest on 35,000 at 9 per annum for 2 years. Already I told first you should write what they given. Here they given principal amount 35,000 and the next they given rate of interest 9% and next per annum for year per annum for 2 years. Years means N they given 2 years. Now you should write what they are asked. Find the simple interest. Simple interest only they asked. Simple interest formula already you know very well. What is the formula of simple interest? PNR divided by 100. What is the principal amount? 35,000 and the R amount 9% and years 2 years divided by 100. Here 2020 cut, remaining things we should multiply means definitely we will get the answer. 350 into 9. 900, 5 nines are 45, remaining 4, 9 threes are 27, 31 and remaining 2. So 200, 5 twos are 10, remaining 1, 1 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 3, 3 twos are 6. That means total amount 6,300. So answer is 6,300. It is very easy to calculate. Okay. Now we learn how to calculate simple interest. Next video we will see some other interest sum. Thank you so much friends.